What if the future was already written, hidden in an ancient text? Welcome to Cryptic Mystic Vault, where we delve into the mystery of the Bible code. This intriguing concept revolves around the idea that within the Hebrew text of the Torah, there are hidden messages or predictions waiting to be discovered. The origins of the Bible code trace back to centuries ago, but it wasn't until journalist Michael Drosnin and mathematician Eliyahu Rips introduced it to the public that the theory began to gain traction. These two figures played a significant role in sparking a global curiosity about this ancient enigma. They proposed that this code isn't just a collection of random words, but a meaningful sequence of events, potentially foretelling the future. The Bible code suggests an exciting, if not slightly unnerving, possibility that the future might not be as unpredictable as we think. But how does this ancient algorithm work, and what secrets does it hold? The Bible code operates on a method known as the equidistant letter sequence, or ELS, paired with modern computer algorithms. This intriguing process involves skipping equal numbers of letters throughout the text to reveal hidden words or phrases. Think of it as a cosmic crossword puzzle, where the clues are scattered across centuries and languages. Now, let's add a pinch of technology. Computer algorithms are employed to sift through the vast sea of letters, searching for patterns that might escape the human eye. These digital detectives have uncovered some startling finds. Proponents of the Bible code claim to have discovered predictions of world events, natural disasters, and political happenings, all encoded in the ancient Hebrew text of the Torah. They argue that these aren't mere coincidences but intentional messages, a divine algorithm inscribed by the universe's ultimate coder. But not everyone is convinced. Let's hear from the skeptics. Statisticians, linguists, and scholars have challenged the Bible code, arguing that these patterns can be found in other texts and may be mere coincidences. Let's delve into the skeptic's standpoint. Critics point out that finding patterns or words in a text using the equidistant letter sequence method is not unique to the Bible. Similar patterns can be found in other religious texts, novels, or even random books when subjected to the same procedure. This, they argue, is a clear indication that the perceived patterns are likely a result of chance and not a divine prophecy. Statisticians have also weighed in on the debate. They argue that the presence of these patterns is statistically expected, particularly in an expansive text like the Bible. The sheer volume of words and letters provide ample opportunities for apparent patterns to emerge purely by chance. Furthermore, the critics caution against the confirmation bias, our innate tendency to favor information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs. When we are actively searching for patterns, we are more likely to find them, even if they are not truly there. In essence, we see what we want to see. Another argument against the Bible code hinges on the concept of data dredging or p-hacking. This is a practice where one sifts through a large amount of data until they find a pattern, ignoring the fact that given enough data, patterns are bound to emerge randomly. Critics argue that the Bible code falls into this trap. There is also the issue of interpretive flexibility. The Bible code's predictions are often vague and can be interpreted in many different ways. This raises questions about the validity of these predictions, as they can be retrofitted to fit a wide range of events. But let's not forget the linguistic aspect. The Hebrew language in which the original Torah is written is rich in homonyms, words that are spelled the same but have different meanings. This characteristic, skeptics argue, further inflates the possibility of finding apparent patterns or predictions. So is the Bible code a profound prophecy or a perplexing paradox? The Bible code has stirred debate in both religious and secular circles, challenging our understanding of prophecy and the supernatural. Proponents argue that its intricate patterns and startling predictions validate its existence, pointing to it as a divine cipher of future events. On the other hand, skeptics dismiss these patterns as mere coincidence, attributing them to human cognitive biases that insist on finding patterns where none exist. Despite the ongoing controversy, there's no denying the Bible code's influence on popular culture. It has found its way into books and films, and has sparked countless discussions on its implications for faith, science, and the search for meaning in ancient texts. As we delve deeper into this enigma, we come face to face with the question, is the Bible code a prophecy revealing secrets of the future, or a paradox, unmasking our own tendency to seek patterns and assign meaning to randomness? What do you think about the Bible code? Is it a window into the future or a window into our own pattern-seeking minds? Share your thoughts below.